Hello everybody. As you may have noticed, this is not uploaded on one of my normal scheduled upload days because this is a bit of just a little extras updates. Just kind of going over some things that I want to talk about, and I'll get right into it so I don't ramble too much, but I'm used to doing that because ASMR. Okay, so first things first. I got my million play button YouTube Creator Award plaque trophy wall decoration. It came packaged really simply, just in like a YouTube box. And here we have my camera. This sort of brushed gold. It's the new play button award that they've been giving out. And it says, presented to Gibi ASMR for passing 1 million subscribers. YouTube. And then we have the golden mirrored play button. So when you look into it, it's almost like, it's kind of a brilliant way. YouTube, I can see myself in it because it was my channel, sort of thing. I see where they're going with that. That's cool. Well, you can see microphone number 1, microphone number 2, and my little camera. Hi. It has this nice velvet back, and this will be hung up in my stream room. So if you're not following me on Twitch, please do. I stream so frequently, and I would love to see you there. So yeah, thank you guys again for 1 million subscribers. We just hit 1.1, and that's crazy. But I'm so happy to do what I do. And you are all very welcome to come along for the ride. So we got it, yeah! Next exciting order of business is I will be on Spotify in the next couple days. I believe we're trying to go live Saturday, but I'm gonna start putting albums of my work that are separated by trigger, and so you'll be able to just listen to the audio for those of you who aren't watching on YouTube. You know, you have your phone turned off and you just want the sounds. Vest and Ben and I have been working really hard to get all the stuff ready to publish on Spotify, so we'll be adding new stuff all the time, but we're just starting with a few, and I hope that you guys will check it out. I'm going to put all of that information in the description box or on screen, but yeah, I thought that was exciting, and a bunch of people have asked for it, so I'm finally fulfilling some requests. Next up, I have launched my new website, and this is, you'll find the same stuff that you find in my description box on YouTube, but it turned out really cool, and I hope you like it. If you ever have any questions or need to contact my assistant or anything like that, if you're a business and you would like to work with me, or, you know, things like that, the website is up and running, and that's gbofficial.com. other than that, my last announcement is kind of a big one, but it's something that I've been thinking about for a long time. And I'm sorry that my voice is kind of off. I just finished my 4-hour singing stream on Twitch, and I'm now realizing how like hoarse I sound. But as of August 1st or July 31st, basically this is going to be my last month of Patreon. So I am retiring Patreon completely. There's a lot that I like have to say about it, but the more I try to explain myself, sort of, the more I don't really like how I'm conveying my ideas. But essentially, you guys have done such an amazing job of supporting me. So good, in fact, that I feel like I'm good. I'm set. You did it, you know? And I feel like that's like, you hit the goal, and I am able to do this full time, and, you know, I think going forward, it will make me feel more comfortable if, you know, there is less like individual like monetary support in exchange for, you know, like rewards and social interaction and things like that. You know, some of it just has been making me feel kind of interesting. I don't know. Like I said, I can't explain it very well, but I do know that if you would like to support me still, you can absolutely follow my Twitch, and because that's like a new venture. And then otherwise, just enjoy my videos. Just watch. Subscribe if you haven't. There's something crazy like 3/4 of my audience is unsubscribed to me. Subscribe. And yeah, I think I'll be getting my income more from like sponsorships and stuff like that, rather than relying on very generous, very kind individuals. And I've had so much fun with my Patreon. I've made so much fun content with it, but the time is now. So Patreon will be closing, and that's one less social media off my block. So with that, my Facebook group will be closing too, as well as the elders role in Discord. So all of the Twitch subs will be in the seniors, which I'm sure we'll just rename to subs, just to make it more open, a little more inclusive, a little more relaxed, and less, I don't know. Yeah, like I said, maybe I'll make a video about it someday, but I'm very happy. Everything is fantastic, but I just have thought a lot about it, and I know for me, this makes sense for me with my scheduling and how I want to move forward with my channel and how I interact, and, you know, what I'm capable of doing, and time management and all that stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much. It's been an amazing era, and I couldn't have done it without you, so I really appreciate all of the support. I think that's everything. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I'm trying to read more and reply more. And other than that, thank you for watching. I'm so bad at announcement videos. But yeah, follow my Twitter and my Twitch. Join the Discord. I have a second channel. I have an Instagram. I'm all over. And I'll keep working hard to put out content. One of my big goals this year is to be able to release my ASMR videos at a certain time each time, like 5 p.m. or something like that. So I'm working more towards being organized, focusing on the bigger picture and what I'm able to do there. And I think it's all gonna go really well, so I'm really excited, and thank you guys for watching. There'll be a scheduled upload on my regular days. Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays for ASMR. And we're trying to nail down Mondays for the second channel, but that's iffy. Good night, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.